What's the meaning of box office? Box office. Box office.
Box office. Box office. The term box office refers to the amount of money generated by a particular movie or theatrical production. It represents the total revenue earned from ticket sales and other related sources, such as merchandise sales or licensing agreements. The box office result is an important indicator of a production's commercial success and is closely monitored by industry analysts, investors, and entertainment executives. A high box office result can help generate buzz for future projects and attract top talent, while a low result may signal financial losses and affect investor confidence. Overall, box office results are a significant measure of success in the entertainment industry.